Hi friends, today I'm going to be making tofu karaage. Take a look at this. Who can tell this is made of tofu? And the texture is just like the chicken karaage, and the taste just like the same. Perfectly crispy on the outside and fluffy and juicy on the inside. Let's see how to make it. First, we need to freeze and thaw the tofu. Once you freeze the tofu, the moisture inside the tofu will expand, and after thawing it, it's going to make a spongy texture. And you can see how spongy it is. Squeeze out the excess moisture from the tofu with your hand. And tear it into chunks. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and mirin. Add grated ginger and garlic and toss to season well. Because the tofu is so spongy, that absorbs the soy sauce and mirin, and that creates the juicy texture. Dust with potato starch. Potato starch absorbs the liquid from the tofu, but it's okay. Coat the entire surface with potato starch and add some more potato starch just before deep frying. Heat the oil for frying up to 180 degrees Celsius, a little bit higher temperature than chicken. I'm using coconut oil. Cook 3 to 4 minutes until the outside is crispy and golden brown. Take out on a wire rack to release the steam to keep it crispy. And there you have it, crispy tofu karaage. You can enjoy this dish with people who are on a vegan diet, or if they are not, they can enjoy it together. I'm so surprised this is so juicy and crispy, just like chicken. Maybe I will make more of this instead of chicken from now on. I hope you will give this recipe a try and let me know how you like it. Have a nice weekend and thanks for watching.